Okay, you guys, so today is Vlogmas day 4 and I just got off from work, and as you saw in the little clip before, I was trying to figure out what we're going to eat for dinner. It's crazy because when I work overtime, things get hectic and I really don't know what to fix. I didn't plan it out this week. I didn't plan. So I think that I'm going to either bake or fry some chicken thighs, which I've never really fried them before. Oh, my camera's about to fall. So I'm about to see what I could come up with, because at this point, I don't know. It's late and we were supposed to watch Christmas movies because my son's Elf on the Shelf came and left him popcorn for him to watch his favorite Christmas movie. So we were going to do that today in our PJs, but first I need to get dinner going.
Yourself a merry little Christmas night, and have yourself a merry little Christmas.
Chicken is back here frying. I'm going to just be cleaning up my mess. I'm so exhausted. I wasn't even going to pick up the camera because it's so late in the day. It's like 5:30 and there's really not much to vlog other than, you know, what I normally do at night. So I don't know if anybody I don't know if you guys wanted to see anything like that, so I was hesitant about picking up the camera because there's not much. I don't have much to show you guys other than just what we do when I get off from work. So I guess it's like a nightly routine thing. My camera keeps wanting to cut off on me. So today is like, my camera does not want me to vlog today for whatever reason. But I do want to go ahead and give a shout out to my brother on my channel. He is a YouTuber and he is about ready to hit 100 subscribers. So he's at 99,000 and something. So any day he will hit 100,000, and that is a huge accomplishment. So I just want to say congratulations to him. His channel is Mensa Main and he does reaction videos, and I'll put his channel across the bottom. But yeah, so he's been on YouTube for 2 years, so that is like a huge accomplishment to reach 100,000 subscribers in 2 years. Okay guys, here's my chicken thighs fried up, and usually I bake them. I've never really even fried chicken thighs before. I only really fry like chicken wings, but I normally bake these. in the oven, or I'll put them in the pressure cooker. And the sides was nothing big. I just made some rice and some gravy, and then we have some carrots that I'm gonna cook. Okay, so I have a package that just came in the mail. I need to take it upstairs with the rest of the stuff. So these are all the packages that we have gotten so far, and I try to open them up to make sure that I receive the right item, the right thing. And I think some of the stuff that I got from Fashion Nova, I might have messed up on the sizes, but this is what I'm talking. Okay, so since the packages started coming in, like I said yesterday in the other video, I probably should start wrapping it, but I need to go get wrapping paper and boxes. So yeah, and I need to do a video on my closet because it needs to be organized, and everything's just up here all out of, it's just up there. It's not organized by color, shirts, or any of that. But I need to actually go through some things and post some things on the Poshmark. Like I have this outfit that I had got one year for New Year's that I never wore, and it's just been in here. See, it still has the tag on there. So I don't know, it's like a shorts romper set. So maybe I need to post some things that I know I'm never gonna wear on Poshmark. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Let's see what else I have in here. I have a couple of things I just never have worn. I've never worn this, and not that I'll never worn it, I can't even fit it. So I have that dress. That one still has the tag on it as well. Yep, so that one still has the tag on it. And then this is an outfit that I got from Fashion Nova that I have not wore yet either. And this is something that she picked up from Kohl's because her dad just took her to get her allergy shot. And you said it was how much?
$4.
$4, regular $30. So we're gonna be doing some little things with this. Tips and tricks and tools to inspire your little scout elf. It's like a book? Oh, okay.
Well, you get 15 tools, I'll tell you different.
Meet the elves. Oh, wow.
Crystal. It comes with a swing. Snowflake.
Oh, this stuff is inside of here?
Yeah.
Oh, so all of this is in here?
Yeah. I don't know how you open it. He always gotta come up here.
As you see, guys, right here, we tried to run and hide from him because we didn't want him to see what we got for the elf on the shelf. This is the stuff that comes in there.
And it tells you different things to do with it.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, this should have been not $30, but I'm glad y'all got it on
only like
sale.
15 items.
Yeah.
But you can do.
Yeah, so we're going to be reading this little book and see what we can do with his elf on the shelf. Okay, guys, we ended the vlog here because my battery died. So as you see, Vlogmas Day 4 was a struggle for me. So we didn't get to watch the Christmas movies or none of that. So we'll just pick it up on Vlogmas Day 5 and just keep it moving. We will see you guys in the next video.